Getting lost on a cruise ship doesn't just waste your vacation time, it exhausts you before the fun even starts. You're wandering endless corridors, missing dinner reservations, and burning energy you need for port excursions. By the time you figure out the ship's layout, you've already missed half the activities you wanted to enjoy. But how do veteran cruisers over 60 navigate effortlessly and maximize comfort on every sailing? On today's episode of Cruiser Pro, we're revealing 5 offbeat hacks that transform cruising for seasoned travelers. Number 1. Master ship navigation signals. Cruise ships feel like endless mazes, but here's what cruise lines don't tell you. They've installed secret navigation signals specifically to help you find your way. Veteran cruisers over 60 never waste energy wandering lost through corridors. The signature move? Reading cabin numbers and carpet patterns instantly to know exactly which direction to walk. No confusion, no unnecessary steps, no exhaustion before activities even begin. So what's the catch? Most passengers never notice these signals exist, and cruise lines certainly don't announce them during muster drills. Cabin numbers always start at 1 at the bow and increase as you walk toward the stern. Norwegian embeds triangles in hallway carpets pointing toward the front of the ship. On older Norwegian vessels, decorative fish swim in the direction of the bow. Here's the reality. Even numbered cabins sit on the port side. That's the left side when facing forward. And odd-numbered cabins sit on starboard, the right side. This works on most major cruise lines. Cunard makes orientation even easier with red carpets marking port and blue carpets marking starboard. Disney uses metal fish mounted above door numbers pointing toward the rear, and their carpet maps face right side up when you're heading forward. Once you know your ship's specific signals, navigation becomes automatic. Pro tip. On embarkation day, take a photo of your corridor's carpet pattern and the nearest directional signal. You'll reference it constantly until the layout becomes second nature. Onboard phrase, "Can you show me the navigation signals on this deck?" Your cabin steward will walk you through them. Zero confusion, conserved energy, more time enjoying your cruise. But this next one saves serious money. Number 2, book future cruises on board for massive savings. Cruise lines desperately want your commitment before you disembark, and they're offering deals you absolutely cannot get anywhere else. Smart cruisers over 60 with flexible retirement schedules buy future cruise deposit certificates or book their next voyage while still on board. Norwegian was offering $100 onboard credit for every $250 future cruise certificate purchased during the sailing. Buy 4 certificates? That's $500 in bonus credit, not $400 available exclusively to current passengers. Want to know the worst part? These onboard-only discounts vanish the moment you walk down the gangway. Your travel agent can't access them. The cruise line's website doesn't offer them. Flash sales don't match them. You must be physically on board and book through the future cruise desk to unlock these savings. Here's where it gets better. Most onboard bookings allow at least one no-penalty change, giving you flexibility if plans shift. You can still link reservations to your travel agent after booking. For cruisers concerned about deposit refunds, this provides security traditional bookings don't offer. These certificates typically remain valid for 18 to 24 months. Plenty of time to coordinate schedules with traveling companions or wait for ideal itineraries. Pro tip, if you cruise regularly, buying certificates on every sailing creates a stockpile of onboard credit you can stack on future voyages, multiplying your savings. Onboard phrase, can I combine multiple certificates on one future booking? Most lines allow stacking for even bigger savings. Hundreds saved with flexible booking options. Now, here's the secret for trying new cruise lines. Number 3, status match with new cruise lines. Cruise lines know building loyalty takes decades, so some skip the waiting entirely by honoring your existing status from other programs. Experienced cruisers over 60 trying a new cruise line immediately request status matching from their established loyalty programs. MSC matches high-tier status from competing cruise lines, major hotel chains, or airlines. Show proof of Cunard Diamond status, and MSC instantly unlocks free specialty dining, onboard discounts, priority embarkation, and priority disembarkation before you've sailed with them even once. So what's the reality? Not every cruise line participates. Norwegian doesn't have a status match. Royal Caribbean doesn't either, but they share status across their brand family. Sail celebrity cruises once and earn high-tier status? Royal Caribbean honors it with Royal Lounge access, complimentary drinks during happy hour, priority boarding that saves standing in long lines, and early departure privileges. Virgin Voyage's current status matches too, though policies evolve. Always ask before booking whether your existing cruise line status, airline miles programs, or hotel loyalty tiers transfer. Pro tip: screenshot your current loyalty dashboard showing tier level and account details. Cruise lines need documentation for status matching requests. Onboard phrase: I have status level with program name. Does this line status match? Ask at guest services on embarkation day if you didn't arrange it pre-cruise. Instant perks without earning a single new point, but these 5 missed opportunities cost you even more. If you're still watching, do me a quick favor and hit that like button and subscribe, because what's coming next could literally unlock hundreds in freebies you walk past every single day. Number 4. Attend onboard events for valuable freebies. Cruise ships host daily events overflowing with complimentary perks, yet half the passengers never attend. Veteran cruisers over 60 strategically attend specific events, not for the presentations, but for the free beverages, raffle prizes, and giveaways nobody else collects. Art auctions serve unlimited champagne, wine, and cocktails throughout the presentation. Spa raffles on embarkation day award free massages, facials, and treatments, but you must physically attend the drawing right after departure to claim prizes. Here's what nobody tells you. Port shopping seminars, especially in Alaska, the Caribbean, and Mediterranean itineraries, distribute free jewelry charms, collectible stickers, and gift certificates for stores like Effie, Diamonds International, and Tanzanite International. Collect one charm at the seminar, then visit the shopping desk daily to grab additional designs or stop by nominated stores in port for exclusive freebies. Shopping events and jewelry presentations serve complimentary drinks and enter every attendee into raffles for valuable prizes. Cocktail parties for loyalty members or suite guests feature premium canapes, top-shelf spirits, and wines you'd pay $15 per glass for at the bar. The cruise line already purchased everything. Smart cruisers simply show up, enjoy refreshments, and collect free perks while relaxing in comfortable seating. Pro tip: review your daily planner on embarkation day and circle every event offering raffles, complimentary beverages, or giveaways. Then schedule 15 to 20 minutes to attend each one throughout the cruise. Onboard phrase: what time is the spa raffle drawing and where does it happen? Mark your calendar immediately so you don't forget. Zero cost, hundreds in value, comfortable seating throughout, and this final hack completely changes how you pack. Number 5. Exploit midweek laundry bag deals. Look, this sounds mundane at first, but it's an absolute game changer for traveling light and avoiding heavy luggage. Cruise laundry costs are outrageous. $4 per shirt, $7 per pair of pants, $25 plus for dresses. Ships without self-service laundry rooms force you to either pack 2 weeks of clothing or pay astronomical per-item pricing. But veteran cruisers over 60 who want to avoid hauling heavy suitcases know the insider secret: midweek unlimited laundry bag promotions. So what's the catch? Most passengers don't realize cruise lines offer all-you-can-stuff laundry bags halfway through longer sailings. Norwegian Viva charged just $29 for one enormous laundry bag packed with as much clothing as physically fits inside. On a 10-day cruise, smart cruisers pack 5 days of comfortable clothes, send everything for professional cleaning on day 5, and enjoy the second half with fresh, pressed wardrobes. Here's the reality. You can pack 50% less luggage if you plan around this midweek offer. Lighter bags mean easier airport navigation, reduced physical strain, and simpler embarkation. The promotion typically appears between days 4 to 6 on week-plus sailings. Ask your cabin steward on embarkation day exactly when the special runs. Then pack strategically. Many loyalty programs and suite categories already include complimentary or heavily discounted laundry service. Check your benefits before assuming you'll pay full price. Pro tip: bring a durable laundry bag from home. Ship-provided bags tear easily when overstuffed, and you want maximum capacity for that flat rate. Onboard phrase: when does the unlimited laundry bag special start this cruise? Your cabin steward knows the exact day and pricing. Pack half the weight, pay a fraction of the cost, save your energy for activities that matter. Thousands miss this simple hack every sailing. So, which hack are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't seen the essential items cruisers over 60 should never forget to pack yet, check out this video next. See you there.